All right, I wanted to go over how to translate the theme or the plugin. Um, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually install a another plugin, and this plugin makes it really easy, so you don't have to worry too much about translating. It makes things a lot easier. So the plugin is called Code Styling Localization. You can just go to plugins, add new, and search for it, and it'll be the top result, and you can click install. Once you've said yes, install, you'll want to also activate the plugin. If you don't activate it here, you can always just go to your plugins and activate it right there as well. So once the plugin's activated, you can go to tools, and there'll be this option down here for localization. And there's a whole bunch of stuff and options, and we link to the documentation for the plugin, um, in the documentation for ours. But you can just basically what we're going to do is we're going to find our plugin, which is Progression Car Dealer. And let me remove this one. I had already done a test. So once you find it, you should see an actual German translation. And we bundled in a German translation. So if you already, would like that, you can use that as well. If you want to add in your own language, all you need to do is click Add New Language. And then in my example, I'm just going to translate it to English. And so we'll select that and say Create a File. Then you'll want to scan the file, and this is just looking through our plugin to find translations. And then you can edit it. Once you edit it, you'll see all of the words that are hard-coded. And for instance, let me go ahead and open up like the vehicles archive, and let's open up, So in this example, I'd gone through the documentation to customize the plugin, but these options are all the same. Let's say for registration date, instead we wanted to change that to purchase date. What you can do is you can click non-case sensitive and then just type in purchase or registration date, and you can edit that. And let's call this one instead purchased day, and we can save it. And then the one step to make sure that you'll see it is you click generate MO file. And then now when we refresh it, you'll see the translation. So it's really easy to translate. You can translate any of these terms, vehicle type, make. Let's translate search inventory, this button, and let's call that one search inventory. We'll edit that, and let's call that one search cars. I'll save that and then generate the MO file. Now when I refresh, you'll see the translated area. So it's super easy to translate different sections of the plugin. Basically, when you're using this code styling plugin as well, it makes things even easier than before. Instead of no editing files or uploading things, you're just visually doing it through WordPress, which is nice. And so that's how to translate the plugin.